Okay, just finished an 11-minute supercharged session by the Burpees Bandit, the man himself. I love the routine so much. Okay, so we're gonna keep this chat really brief. I want to try to help as many people out there as possible. I'm not selling anything. So I think I've disconnected myself from the matrix recently, and this is how I've done it. To unplug yourself from the matrix and to get back onto that path of self-improvement, stop the doom scrolling. Kind of just became the same stuff, the same people, the same content. The second was coming across a video where this guy said, embrace the boredom. It's okay to be bored. I let myself be bored. I appreciated that I had the time to just sit there and be bored. Experience the boredom for as long as I could until I said, fuck, I'm bored. I need to go do something. And that was the second step from then getting back on the bandwagon onto the road of self-improvement. I think having a couple of months off burpees has really given me a greater appreciation, and I'm very grateful to be able to do burpees, and getting back into the burpees recently has then kick-started my fitness journey again. And the supercharge routine, it's really fun. Like, I don't need to sit down and be bored when I've got the supercharge routine to do. And then when I've done the supercharge routine, I want to eat healthier. I guess that's what I've got to say about unplugging from the matrix. The matrix really being plugged into social media and the internet, but then also the doom scrolling, the cyclical patterns of self-destructive behavior. And then there was something that one of the new guys in the burpee community mentioned the other day, and I don't normally shout out newer guys so soon, just because I don't know how long they'll last on YouTube, but we got to build each other up, motivate each other. And Burpee Commando is somebody who I've been watching recently, and he said that he goes to night school and he was behind on some assignments. He asked the teacher to open the assignments back up for the previous week, which he missed. And the teacher agreed and said it's going to be very, very hard work to catch up on last week's assignments. And he said to the teacher, well, he thought to himself, hey, I'm doing 100 Navy SEAL burpees unbroken every day. I can face anything. And that goes to my point of doing something tough like burpees or exercise in general builds that mindset that you can tackle anything. And when you have that mindset, you're not going to want to tackle YouTube shorts. You're going to want to be doing things out in the real world for your career, for your relationships. They're going to ultimately improve your current state of affairs. Now, just lastly, on my 4-week diet that I've been on, this is week 3 now. I put a community post yesterday about me falling off the bandwagon, and you know what? I did fall off the bandwagon partly. I had 3 separate social events that I attended with Mrs. Bandit, and this is really strange. We're all or nothing type of people. Like, we're either introverts or like complete extroverts. And yesterday was that, with months of not seeing anyone, not having any social events, we saw 3 different friends, 3 different time periods of the day, 3 different meals. So I couldn't say, no, I'm not eating this, I'm not eating that, I'm on a diet at every single stage. What I did was I ate in moderation, I didn't overeat, and now today I've had a protein cookie, I've had some coffee, and it's nighttime. It's 5:30. I'm going to make a salad for dinner. So to compensate for yesterday's overindulgence, I've been eating really well today, and just back on it tomorrow. The end goal is not so much about the weight anymore. It's more about the general feeling and well-being and any lessons I've learned. And I'm definitely learning a lot of lessons, more so going from, oh, that's bad food, I have to fast for 48 hours, to, okay, I've had a surplus of food. Food is energy. I've had a surplus of energy. Need to just reduce the amount of energy I'm consuming in the next day. Anyway, that's a long talk. Shout out to everybody out there. Talk another time. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Cool. 21.